Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to prove or solve another important question uh, from exam point of view. That is the question number 4, which contain 10 parts. At least 2 parts will be asked in your final examination from this question. So uh, try to solve these questions very keenly. So without any delay, let's try to solve the part first of this question. That is from the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. The first part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 upon 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos of theta. So how we are trying to solve these identities? We take the left hand side or right hand side, then we we solve that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, or right hand side will be equal to the left hand side. So we will take first here LHS. What is LHS? It is cosec theta minus cot theta. Since cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, so I will write here 1 upon sine of theta. Okay, minus what is cot of theta? It can be written as cos of theta upon sine of theta because it is the reciprocal of tan. So why I choose these two values? Why I didn't expand this as a minus b whole square? Because in our right hand side there is cos 1 minus cos theta and y 1 plus cos theta. That is why I tried to convert this in terms of cos. Okay, beta. Now it is 1 minus cos of theta divided by, since these are the like fractions, so we will take a single denominator. So we will write here sine of theta, or instead of this I will write 1 minus cos of theta whole square. This can be written as 1 minus cos of theta whole square upon sine square theta. Okay, distributing this square to both numerator and denominator. Now what is 1 minus cos theta? This can be written as 1 minus cos of theta because it is multiplied 2 times, so can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sine square theta. We know the identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is our identity, the major identity, the fundamental identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I can write here sine, instead of sine square theta I will write, let's transfer this to that side. I can write sine square theta 1 minus cos square theta. In place of this I will write this. Got it? So we use here this identity. This is equal to 1 minus cos of theta, 1 minus cos of theta. This can be written as a square minus b square because it is 1 square minus 1 square is 1, so it can be written as 1 square minus, because if I will put square here it will be always 1, so it will be 1 square minus cos square theta. We know the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we will use this identity. So I can write here 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This and this will go, this and this will go, and here 1 minus cos of theta upon 1 plus cos of theta. Okay, so this is our 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and this is our RHS. So this gets proved. Okay, so let's take part second of this question, that is cos theta divided by 1 plus sine. Part second of the same question, it is cos of a divided by 1 plus sine of a. 1 plus sine of a plus 1 plus sine of a upon cos of a is equal to, what is the RHS? It is twice sec A. Twice sec A. So dear students, let's take the left hand side of the very question, that is cos of A upon this plus this upon this is equal to twice sec A. Here LHS is this, so here LHS is equal to, that is this part. So this by cross multiplication we can get cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, this we get 1 plus sin of A whole square upon, this can be written as 1 plus sin of A into cos of A. Okay, so this can be written as cos of A, this can be written as cos square A plus, this is 1 plus sin A whole square, because we know the identity A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So let's use this identity here. This can be written as 1 square plus twice 2 into 1, 2 1 are 2, and twice sin A plus sin square A, sin square A. Okay, then it is 1 plus sin of A into cos of A. Okay, so this is cos square A. We will again use this identity here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we have this cos square A plus sin square A. Instead of this we will write 1 here. Okay, so instead of this we will write 1. Then we have our 1 square, that is 1. Then we have plus twice sin A upon, this is 1 plus sin of A, and what will be, we can write here 1 square is 1. Now let's do it in the next step. 1 plus sin A into cos of A. So this can be written as 2. 1 plus 1 will be 2 plus twice sin of A upon 1 plus sin of A cos of A. Okay. Now dear students, we have 2 here and 2 here. So let's take it out. 2 into 1 plus sin of A upon, and we have divided by 1 plus sin of A into cos of A. Okay, now this term and this term will get cancelled. It is 2 into, this will be 1 upon cos of A. That is, what is 1 by cos A? It is sec A, and that will be, that is our RHS. Okay, this is our question part second. Okay, if you have understood that, then you have to do one thing. You have to subscribe my math school and also share. If you have any problem in this question, you can mention that in the comment section. So I will be, I am waiting for your response. Till then, have a good time.